Hello everybody, welcome back. This is session 7 out of 10 session, and we're going to talk about Mdx operators. You may saw a lot of operators, but we're going to go a little bit detail. Drill down functions, drill up functions, and some metadata functions, and KPI functions. So it's like a mix of 2-3 things. KPIs functions are not much, so that's the reason I added here. Operators is like a page I'm describing, so that also not take much, so I combine 2-3 things together for this chapter. Okay, so agenda for this chapter is we're going to talk about all Mdx operators, so that you're not confused what are all used for star. Is it cross join and multiplication, etc., etc. Drill down level bottom, all drill down functions level top. We're going to give all example one by one, and drill up, and then we're going to talk about axis. Very simple. Different kind of count, dimension, count for dimension, hierarchy, levels, set, tuples, etc. We're going to talk about different level and levels. We're going to talk about name and unique name. We're talking about ordinals of the levels, hierarchy, and we're going to talk quickly about KPI functions. Okay, so that's the goal of this session. So our first slide is about Mdx operators. I know you guys already know a lot of things, but just trying to make a short one slide to make sure that you guys all understand. The first one is comment. I have a comment. We have 3 types of comment. Okay, one is double dash. So one is double dash and double slash. These two are single line comments. Okay, so if you want to do single line, you make a one slash slash and then comment. If it is by slash star and opposite, these are the multi-line comment. Okay, that's the difference. Then we have a dash, which have 3 use. Except, say set A minus set B, which is except returns a set, which is something in the set A but not in set B. Okay, unary operators, negative value for numeric expressions like -5, -6, blah blah blah. Subtract one numeric expression to the other, so you guys, that's a normal one. Star have 2 use. Cross join 2 sets and returns a set, and multiply 2 numeric expressions. Okay, should be simple, very simple. Plus sign have 4 use. Add 2 numeric expressions, that is good. Unary positive operator value, that's good. Union 2 sets. Okay, so union 2 sets, remove duplicates. And another application is concatenate strings. Okay, concatenate strings, tuples, or tuples and strings. Okay, colon is a range operator for an ordered set. So if it is ordered, mean by ordered by, if 5 colon 9 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, other numeric operators you know very well: divide, power, less than, equal, less than or equal, not equal, greater than equal. Logical operators and, not, or, XOR, is logical comparison. Okay, I have a spelling mistake. So that's the Mdx operators. Okay, now next is our query. find sales amount for year 2008 and quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2009. So just copy, close it, open our SQL Server Management Studio, connect to analysis services, okay, so new query, okay, took a little bit extra time. Okay, so we select our cube. Our query is find sales amount for year 2008 and quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2009. So what do you do? Let's make our skeleton MDX on columns. On rows, operation, and let's save this. Save as a skeleton MDX, and we're going to select the sales amount, definitely sales amount, and we're going to year 2008 date so year 2008 should be here, fiscal year 2008. Okay, then we need a quarter of first quarter of 2009. That's first quarter, and then second quarter of 2009. Okay, we can just copy. Five. So fiscal year 2008 and 2009 quarter 1 and 2000. Okay, so there's two levels. Now you may say, okay, why the set have two different kind of value? All are from the same hierarchy. Okay, so that's the reason it's okay to define the this one, as well as it have a what do you called two different levels. This is for the year and this for the quarters. Okay, so let's see our, that's our query, right? Okay, okay, that's totally good. Modify the last query to show one level detail for the year level, but do not do any change for the quarter levels. So want to say one level for the year level. What is one level below the year level? So query is this. Modify the last query to show, okay, show one level detail for the year level, but do not do any change for the quarter levels. So this is, so that's our use of the first function, which is drill down level. So it says drill down level drill down level. Okay, so drill down level have two parameters, set and the level. Okay, so set is our, this is the set. You got it. Okay, let's move it this one. So that's a set. Then we want to have a level. Which level you want to drill down? We have two different levels. Which level you want to we want to drill level only fiscal year. Okay, now if you go to the member, all fiscal year 2008, it goes to two half years, H1 and H2, and then H2 is, this is quarters, these are quarters, then these are months, right? So year, then half years, then quarter, then months. Okay, so one level depth means is going to go for half year. Good. So what we are expecting? We're expecting 2008 year plus H1 2008, H2 2008, and quarter. So quarter no change, but this year would be drilled down to the half year. Okay, good. And if you want, you see there's a, we use the function, but we want another set. It is up to you. Okay, good, because that's a row, right? So this is in the rows enclosed by the curly brackets. F5. So that's right. This is the year. This is the first half of the year, the second half of the year 2008, and 2009 quarters. Okay, so our next query is modify the last query to show one level detail for the one level detail for quarter level, but do not drill for year level. Do not drill down for the year level. Okay, so okay, so say modify the last query to show one level detail for the quarter level. Okay, so and do not change anything here. So what you need to change? We need to change the level, drill down level. Instead of year, it should be quarter. So what happened? What are we expecting? Okay, what we are expecting? Quarter level. And so this will show only one entry. This quarter level will show 3 months and 3 months, right? Next to quarter is month. So F5. So that's right. Year stays same. Quarter 1 2009. Month January, February, March, and quarter 2 is April, May, June, right? Okay, so our next query, so it says basically modify the last query. Modify the last query. Okay, show 2 bottommost months for each quarter. So this is the query we have. So the query says modify last one and such that it should bottom most months for each quarter. So okay, so what you can do is, so drill down level bottom, BOTTOM. So we don't need this level anymore, and basically it's going to give you the bottommost bottommost set. So this is the bottommost of the set. This is the levels which is bottommost of the members, and bottommost 2. So they should give you, this one stay same, quarter 1, 2 and 3, quarter 2, 5 and 6. Okay, have 5. So 3 and 2, or 2 and 3, and 5 and 6. Okay, so that's our drill down level bottom. So okay, that's a little same thing. So if we do only one here, it's instead of showing 2 months, it will show 1 month, right? So 3rd and 6th bottommost month for the quarter 1, right? So let's see, we covered this drill down level. Okay, I'm just looking at if I'm missing anything. Drill down level, so that's our level. So the drill down level have, this is a set, right? This is a set, have 3 values. One is year 2008, 2009 quarter 1, 2009 quarter 2, and quarter. So if the level is quarter, it's going to drill down only this and this, right? So it's, that's the reason it's like a this remains same, the year level remains same, quarter level break into 3 parts. These are 3 parts, right? These are 3 parts. This quarter level break into 3 parts. That's the 3 parts, right? And that's the corresponding values, right? Okay, so drill down level, drill down bottom, drill down level bottom is a drill down level bottom drills down the bottommost members of a bottommost set. So this is the bottommost set, and these are the, for these 2 are the bottommost 2. So as this is 2, that's the 2 bottommost, and for this is the 2 bottommost. Okay, show 2 bottommost members of these 2 sets. Good. And again, if we change it to value, instead of 2 members, if we do it 1 member, is going to show only 1 member from this quarter, right? So drill down level bottom drills down the bottommost members. It's exactly same thing. If you try to display 5 bottommost members, it will display only 3, which is maximum members of this quarter we can have. So said that if we try to put it 5, it doesn't matter, because it will show the maximum 3. So maximum we have 3. Okay, see how it's saying, it shows the bottommost one here, and then the next and next 1, 2, 3 in the reverse order. Okay, so what do you have? Okay, next query, we have drill down top and show two top. It's like a drill down bottom, drill down level bottom, drill down level top. Here it's showing the topmost months. Okay, sorry, just trying to copy. Okay, so let's delete those things. Show the two topmost months of each quarter. Okay, so it's a drill down level top, and if we do 2, to show us 2. Okay, F5. So quarter 1 January, February, quarter 2 April, May. Okay, so drill down level top, drill down level top drills down the topmost members of a bottommost set to one level below. What is bottommost set for this? From this set, these and these are the bottommost, right? So it's going to drill down bottommost. So these and these were drilling down bottommost, and show two topmost member of these two sets, right? Because this is a top. So January, February, that's the two bottom topmost. April, May is a two top from this quarter. Okay, okay, so what is our next? Next query is modify last query to show only top 2 months instead of all 3 months of quarter 2 2009. Okay, so let's see what it is. So read carefully. Modify last query to show only top 2 months, okay, instead of all 3 months for the quarter 2 2009. Now how we differentiate quarter 2 2009? Quarter 1 and quarter 2 is almost, same level, right? So we cannot do by level. So drill down instead of level. Now function is member. We can exactly within this 3 we can exactly drill down one of this. So we can do drill down member. Okay, drill down member, and we can just do the quarter 2. Okay, so we can just drill down member, copy, and so out of this is a set, first set, and this is one of the member. Okay, this may be a complex set. It may be, you may come with children, any kind of expression and everything. So I was just giving example of set, so that a very simple set you can see what the different levels and everything are. So this will drill down. It will not drill down the year level, stay like this. Quarter 1 will stay like this, not with this value. Only quarter 3 will say April, May, June, right? F5. So that's right. Year, quarter 1 no change, quarter 2 drilled down into 3 different months. Okay, so drill down member. What is drill down member? Drill down members basically drill down the members in a specified set that are present in second specified set. So in this case, only member 2009 drill down, not all members. Okay. Okay, next query. One second. Am I messing up? Okay. Okay, actually, last query was I selected from the wrong one. That's why I was a little bit confused. This was the query. So, last query, basically these two steps. I was doing first step. Second step is drill down member top. So only top 2 months. That was, to achieve that you have to do like top, drill down member top, and then set 1. This is, you can treat as a set 2, right? Okay, 2, and then F5. So that's the top two members. So if it is, so correction, I believe last time I, instead of going to this query, I went to this query. But this is very similar. One is with top, one is without top, right? Very sure. It's very, very simple. Okay. Next query, bottom. Definitely is again simple thing. Modify last query to show the last 2 months. Okay, last 2 months. So what do you do? Instead of top, it is a bottom, and everything else is same, right? Everything else is same. So now instead of, it will show 5 and 6. So that's a 5 and 6. Good. Very, very simple. No, not a complex at all. So this one. So next one is a little bit different. So first, let's do, we did a 2009 year, quarter, half year, and 2 quarters. Year, half years, 2 quarters. Okay. So first display that, and then we'll do. Okay. So this is good. We don't need any function yet, so forget about this function. Say we have the, okay, okay, F5. So that's showing us 2008. So let's do it 2000, sorry, instead of 2009, make it 2008, 8, F5. Okay, so 2008 year, 2008 quarter. Okay, I want to do for half year for 2008. So I'll just grab one. Okay, fortunately I got the right one. Okay, so this is the half year of 2008. This is the half year. Okay, this is the year, and right, this is the quarter. This is the quarter. Good. So I'm going to copy the all of those, and I'm going to change it to 2009 instead of the 2008. So, and 9, it's the same thing. 9, 9, 9. Remove the comma. F5. So now say 2008 half, H1 2008, 2008 quarter, 2008 quarter 2, 2009 year, 2009 half year, 2009 quarter, and 2009 quarter 2. Okay, so that's our set, how it look like. Now, okay, So let's find the sales amount for quarter 2 2008, 2009, for year, and quarter 1, quarter 4 of 2008 and 2009, right? Good. Year, actually H1, year, half year, H1, and quarter. Okay, so that shows this one. Now our query is, from a given set, remove all members below level 2000, below level half year. Okay, what does that mean? So this is from this given set we have this 3 levels, right? Year, half year, quarters. Year, half year, quarters. So it says that from a given set, remove all the members below half year. Anything below half year means remove this one, this one, this one, this one. Means we normally drill down, okay? And this is like a drill up. So drill up level. From a level you do drill up, okay? So what is the level we want looking for? We're looking for half year, definitely. So our function is drill up level okay. So drill up level and function set. So this is our set. Then we need a level, right? So we do the fiscal half year here, okay, F5. So we see all the anything below half year is gone, okay. So next one, so next query is we did a drill up level, drill up member. From the given set we have the set and remove all the members below 2009, okay. So what does that mean? Definitely we are going to look at this, okay, F5. So what it says that from a given set, so that's our given set, F5, that's our given set, all the sets and showing the sales amount. 2008 H1, 2008 quarter 1, quarter 2 2008, quarter 9 and everything. Sorry, 2009 year, half year, quarter 1 of 2009, quarter 2 of 2009, okay. So that's our all given set. Remove all members below 2009. It says remove all member below 2009 but do not remove any member from 2008. Stay like that, 8, but only remove this 2009. So what is that? We had a drill up level, and this is also, now you know, drill up member, right? Drill up member says okay, 2009 you can remove everything. So that's it, set, and this is the level, sorry, this is the member we are looking for. So our member is 2009. F5, all 2009 is gone. So instead of 2009 say 2010, everything is there. Instead of 2010, if it's 2008, 2008 will be gone, okay. So cool. Okay, next. Okay, next is axis. Okay, so our next query is Find non-empty sales amount of each year. That should be very, very simple. Okay. And operation, copy our skeleton MDX. Okay, then so our sales amount, measure sales amount. Okay, and then year, so date, fiscal year, and non-empty means non-empty. And this seems like a very, very simple query. So non-empty, and for sales amount, right? Okay, cool. F5. So axis is instead of column, you can do it like x is 0. Okay, and F5, this will give you value, same thing, same result. So instead of column rows, x is 0, x is 1. Okay, instead of column and rows, you can use this one, or you can use 0 only. Okay, 0 and 1. F5, same thing. So either columns or rows, column rows, or x is 0, x is 1, or 0 and 1. Okay. Okay. Next is okay. So count. I have one type of count. Okay, I have type 1, count type 1. Okay, hierarchy count. So find a number of hierarchies in the operation cube. Okay, so that's the type 1. Type 2, hierarchy levels count. So for example, find number of levels hierarchy in date, fiscal, YQN. How many levels you have. Okay, so that's the second type of count. Third type of count, set. So number of products for the descendants and something. So number of products, product of category cell phones. So that's our set. So this set have two different way. One is you can do by count, or you can use the count as a function. You can use a dot count. Okay, one of these two is way. Okay, okay. So next, type 4 count is a tuple. Find dimension count for tuple below. So we have the year, product category name, city name, and it's give you count, total count, how many dimension you have. Okay, so let's do one by one. First query, find the number of hierarchies in the operation cube. Okay, five. Select the right cube. Find a number of hierarchies in the operation cube. So select our skeleton MDX, Control V. So let's create a calculate member, which is with member as a measures dot hierarchy count is so dimensions dot count. And you may be wondering how dimensions dot count gives you the hierarchical count. Okay, so I don't need the rows here, but these dimensions count include the measures also, so it's like all complete hierarchy count for the cube. Okay, F5 143. Okay, second, next query. So you guys got it, right? This is a what is that? This dimensions.count gives you total hierarchy count for the cube, and including the measures as well as all the dimensions, all the hierarchies in all dimensions. Okay, so next one, find the number of levels in the date fiscal YQM, number of date in the hierarchy, number of levels in the hierarchy date fiscal YQM. So let's do, I'm going to modify this. Okay, and number of levels for the hierarchy, this one. So we'll call it like level count. Let's say instead of hierarchy count, we'll say level count. Okay, level count. Okay, and this is the hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy dot levels. We're going to do levels, how many levels you have, and then count. Okay, and if we say how many we should see, how many you should see, let's see, date fiscal YQM, let's say all 1 1 2 3 4 5, right? All level, then second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So I should see the level count 5. Okay, so that's cool. My next query, so this is good, right? We found the hierarchy levels count. Okay, next one, set, find number of products, number of product category, find number of products of category cell phones. Number of products, it's a number of products of product category cell phones. Okay, so okay, so let's do from the beginning. We want to say number of products we want to find out of product category cell phone. Okay, instead of number, I'm going to say step 1, I'm going to say find products instead of count. not yet count. Okay, find products of product category telephone. How are you going to do that? Okay, so let's do a skeleton, right? Skeleton Mdx, copy and paste. Okay, so we want to find out number of products, or product list, for list basically, not find, list products of product category cell phone. How are you going to find? We're going to use a function called descendants. Okay, and of product category cell phone operation product category cell phone. Where's my cell phones? So that's the cell phones. How many labels? We're in the category 1, 2, distance 2, so second label. Okay, and we're going to say self, right? Good. F5. That's all products of product category cell, right? Cell phones. Now we want to do count. If you want to do count, what do you do? We create a count member with member measures product count. Good. As we are going to go this one, this guy, total, and we can do the count here. We can do count here. We'll show you. Okay, so we can do count here. This is good. Now we want to show the product count, right? We don't need to. We can remove the rows because we want to display only one number. Product count F5 285. Okay, so 285 product count for this. Now there is another way, alternate way. This you can do a count here, or you can define a count function. In parentheses you can do this. Okay, F5, same thing. So you can do count in two different ways. So that was my alternate way. I was showing its count as this way. Next query. Find dimension count for the tuple below. So basically 2008 category, product category name, and city name. Right. So the dimension count for tuple. So let's see this, and I didn't copy it. So let me explain what it is. Let's do our copy and this one, and we don't need the rows here, so we can remove the rows, and with member measures dot, also dim count, okay, as something. So something is, say we make a say we're going to display the dim count in the columns. So you got this. So tuple, we're defining a tuple. So first say we're going to define a tuple is fiscal year and says say all years. Cool, all years. So how many years we have? Dot count is how many years we have. So there's 8 years, right? How many years we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the year. Then if we say how many years we have, like how many tuples we have in the year, and if we drag product categories. Okay, so first of all, let's see how many product categories we have. F5, it's a 9 product category. How many years category we have in the year and the product categories? F5 is 8 times 9. We see 8 years and 9 product category. That's 72. Okay, so you can count any dimension, that's called dimension count. So you can do any, say for example, what we have in our example, we have a city name, so you can count how many. So you have, say, geography. Where is my geography? Oh, okay, where's my geography? Okay, city, you want a continent. So for example, how many continents we have? That's our 4 continents we have. How many countries we have? This is good. This is good. No, that's not good, because same hierarchy appears twice. F5, it should give an error. Okay, so that's the error. So what do you do? F5 now, give all the 35 countries. So that's the dimension count. Okay, next, that's our all counts. So there's 2 things. So one is level, one is levels. Let's go here. Okay, there's 2 things: level and level and levels. Okay, now first thing is level. So here we have all ancestors of city San Diego. Okay, so it shows all the ancestors and level name. So this is the current hierarchy. Geography, we have a geography and geography hierarchy. Current member, what is the level? What is the level of the current member, and the name? Okay, so that's the current member, the level, the names. What is in the level? You can say this is my hierarchy, and I want to show all levels, particular level. Okay, so this level is continent level. So if it is 2, it will be country level. If it is 3, it will be state level. So that's the difference. Like, one is levels, one is level. Okay, good. So let's see what is our query. Display levels of self, basically ascendants of the city San Diego. So all the ancestors of San Diego. So okay, okay, so we do like here, ascendants, okay, and all ascendants of San Diego, right? So we're going to find out all city San Diego, where I can find city San Diego. Here, and I'll just grab one and I'm going to change it to San Diego. Okay, so all this ascendants of San Diego, so that's good. I want to now display all the levels. Okay, so how you going to do that? This is my hierarchy, geography hierarchy, right? And it will say geography dot current member dot level dot name. Okay, and what do you want to call it? With member, say measures dot level name. Okay, as this is level name. So if you display this, so it's going to display different levels. Like for example, what are we expecting? We're expecting this one is all, this one is a continent, this one is a regional country name, this is the state province name, city name, right? So F5. So that's all level. This is the continent name, this is the regional country name, state country name, city name, etc. So our next query is sorry, click the wrong button. Okay, so display sales amount for level 1. Okay, level 1 is continent, we can display this level 1, level 2, we'll do all of them. Okay, so let's see here, display sales amount for level 1 of geography hierarchy. Okay, so we're going to do select our cube, measures, sales amount, and we're going to grab the hierarchy name just to make it simple. So we have this one here, this one dot levels 1. So this will show all continents, right? So that's good. If it is 2, is it going to show all country, Armenia, Australia, and everything, right? So that's all country. Okay, if it is 3, it's a state, all states, right? Okay, okay, if it is 4, it's all city. Okay, it's all city. Oh, I know this in Texas, I know. Okay, Ronick. Okay, so that's the levels. Okay, what's our next query? Name and unique name. Okay, so this display name of level for self and all ancestors of city San Diego. That's exactly same query we did 2 minutes back, right? This one. So okay, so our current member name, so that we're talking about this, the function. So this is exactly same function we talked we are using, so name function, and we are using the level.name. Okay, now this unique name, so this is have a city name, everything. Now you can use a unique name. Unique name will give you whole path, right? The complete path. Excuse me. So you can define this one as a unique name. Unique name F5, that gives you all complete path. Okay. If you don't use unique name, unique, it'll be the name. Okay. So good. Now next query. What is our next query? Ordinal and hierarchy. Display ordinal of levels. Okay, let's see. So ordinal is a, let me find it out. Okay, so I'm going to modify this query. So here, instead of level name, also level ordinal. Okay, and level dot ordinal. Ordinal is a zero based levels basically. So you'll see like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that number, it's a zero based ordinals of the levels, F5. So you'll see this is 0 level, and then 1, 2 is going 3, 4. So that's a ordinal levels for the. Okay, it's very simple, right? Okay, next one, display hierarchy name for name of level for self and all ancestors of San Diego. So we're using same query. We just want to understand what the functions are. Okay, hierarchy name. So let's name it, say hierarchy name. The same hierarchy name, actually same. So level, you can say what is it called, hierarchy dot name. Okay, and it should display all are same, but you can use this function to get the hierarchy name, F5. So that's all geography hierarchy, right? Next query, KPI. So I'll just say it's not step 1 actually. Inspect the following KPI. Revenue definition. Find KPI value, KPI goal, status, and KPI trend for KPI revenue in 2008 and product category. So let's see. This is not a particular goal. It's just to inspect the query kind of thing. So let me show you what it is. It's very simple. Okay. So, and you must know what is the value, KPI value, KPI goal, and KPI status. And trend for our, we have a KPI called revenue. So let's look at the KPIs, and there is a revenue called revenue. Okay. So for 2008, for all the product categories. Okay. So let's copy our skeleton MDX, and so let's copy our MDX skeleton MDX. Sorry. Okay. So first thing is that we want to filter where condition with this is the last one. I want to add the first one, date 2008. So let's get the date 2008. So that's for 2008. For product categories, so product categories, I want to get a product and all product category name. Good. And now we want to get a KPI. We say KPI value, KPI goal. So basically KPI value measures, not measures, KPIs. Actually you get all information here. Okay. KPI value for KPI goal, KPI status, and KPI trend. Okay, I just drag and drop, right? All of this is have all. So you can do this, and then the product category F5, you'll see all the value. See, we define the KPI in the unlicensed service, and we can see all the value. It's very, very simple. So that's the end of the chapter, but end of the chapter in the sense that we are in the exercises. So you can pause the video, do the exercises. There's not much in the exercise, only three very simple exercises, and okay, so pause the video and come back. So we have a set which is fiscal year 2008-2009. So let's create the first set, and first set is fiscal year 2008 and 2009, date fiscal okay. So these two, what else? Quarter, fiscal quarter 8/3. Okay, we'll just grab one quarter, and I believe quarter 3rd of 2008 and quarter 4 of 2008. So that's should be fine. Okay, and first quarter of 2009, second quarter of 2009. So okay, first quarter of 2009, first quarter of 2009 means this one, right? And second quarter of 2009. Good. So that's our query. No, that's our set, and we'll use our skeleton. So this one, and we're going to use this one as our rows. Okay. Okay, so that's our set, looks like, and we're going to do the say we're going to display the sales amount. So sales and sales amount, that should F5. Okay, so you're good. Now our first query is, exercise is, out of members of set A, that's our set, drill down only Q3 2008. So if it is drill down only Q3, means we want to see the months of Q3 2008. That's the Q3 2008. Everything else is okay. I'm sorry, I did 9-2 twice. Okay, Q1 2009 was duplicate, so this is the right one. Okay, so we want to only drill down this guy, not anybody else. So what do you do? Drill down level? No, we want to this drill down particular member. So we'll do drill down member, drill down member. Okay, make caps lock it on. Okay, drill down member. So which member we want to drill down, comma, and that's the name of the, and we want to drill down member, this one. Good. F5. So we have this member is drilled down into July, August, September. Everything else is remain same. Okay. Okay. So that's our query. Next exercise is, from set A, show one level detail for quarter level, but do not drill down the year level. Okay, so that should be very, very simple, right? So what do we do? We want to drill down the level, quarter level. So instead of member, we're going to drill down level, right? And that level should be quarter. Good. F5. That gives you this one not drilled down, this one is 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 drilled down. So all the quarter levels, thus 4 got drilled down. So that's easy. Next query, from set A, remove all members below year 2008. Okay, below 2008, what is that? Remove anything means drill up, drill up. Year 2008, if it is level, saying it is a drill up member. We want to see all the 2009, but don't want to see 2008, correct? Okay, so we'll do drill up member, drill up member. Okay, and which one we want to see? We don't want to see this guy. There's no, but you'll see the year 2008 definitely, but removes anything below year 2008. Okay, good. F5. So hold on, drill up member. Okay, so it's confusing, it's not working. it should remove this and this, and we want to know why. Because it got confused with the which is belongs to which hierarchy. Okay, this guy is below this or this. What we have to do here is called as a function called hierarchize, and that will create the all hierarchy wise, and then drill up member can easily find it out what it is and everything. Okay, so it is like a not advisable, it is necessary for other all the drill up basically function you use the hierarchize function. Okay, so F5, this will arrange this set into hierarchy form. Normally if we do our as a children or any descendant function, those are already hierarchized, but particularly this case we are randomly selecting members and making a set, so it is important to make it hierarchized. And F5 should give you, remove the year 2008, anything below 2008. That's end of the chapter, I believe. Session, yes. So it is this session was a little bit mixed session, little bit mixed session. A lot of things. We have Mdx operators. We talked about Mdx operators, drill down functions, all drill down functions, and count, different kind of counts, levels, unique name, ordinal, KPIs. I'll say this is a not very complex, very tough session. It's a very straightforward session. You have to be concentrate on these drill down functions very much to understand what it is. And another thing is important is Mdx operators. I saw and refer a lot of Mdx operators throughout the other chapters, but I felt that it is important that I should explain in one simple slides, and so that you guys can remember very easily and see what is the difference and what are different types of operators. Second thing is the drill down levels. Again, I told in the beginning of my course that my intention to give you is easiest form of how you use this function. Your your main goal of this course is to understand these functions nicely. What are possibilities? What are different? How this function works and everything. And definitely you're going to use your own way. This example, the simplest example using Conteso or AdventureWorks, it is not most complex things. I was trying to give you some kind of complexity, but complexity should not be an issue. Issue is you need to understand every function, how that function works. If you know how it works, you guys are smart enough to apply those things in any other your business cases and everything, right? So because you guys already used very complex complex kind of data structure handling and everything in the SQL, and that's the reason you are you are learning Mdx, so you know the complexity. Only things need to know how this function works. What does that mean? And I try to tell you that part. I want to tell less possible way, so that I don't want to give you a lot of information instead of less number of information, but which are solid information. Okay, so I believe you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next session. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next session, which is session 8.